Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to unbox and take a look at some Dragon Ball Dragon Stars figures. So today we're going to take a look at SSG for Vegeta and Gogeta. So you might already notice that Gogeta is out of the box. So we're going to take a quick look at him first. So let's first take a look at the box. So yeah, the reason why he's out of the box is because when I received him, because I bought him online, he came with one of his foot was completely... I'm sorry if you can hear some dogs barking outside, but... Anyway, so yeah, he had his foot, this one that was completely taken out and that was down here, so... I opened the box to make sure everything was fine. Thankfully, I was able to pop it back. So yeah, that's why I already opened him. So we can still take a look at the box. So a nice artwork here on that side. Not much here. Not much here. Here we have a look at all the figures. We have Vegeta here. And Gogeta over there. And yeah, so he comes with two closed fists and two Kamehameha gripping type of hands. So yeah. So there he is. So you can see the face is really nicely made. He can turn left or right the head, but not much because of, well, all the hair he has. So yeah. So articulation wise, he has the same articulation as any Dragon Star figure. He has a new type of pants, so you can see here. So you can you have much better range of motions, but unfortunately you can see he has some kind of huge diaper thing going on. So yeah. He has the Gogeta jacket here. And his tail is in a ball joint. So that's pretty much this for this guy. Now let's take a look at Vegeta here. So again, comes with two closed hands and two Kamehameha hands, or glove in his case. So we have a nice picture here of him. And yeah, the back is the same as Gogeta here. So yeah, so this one we can open together. Okay. Oh, like this. Okay, we're in. Come on. We're in. Let's put some light back on. Okay, that should do it. Come on. Good old technique. So let's take him out. Come on. Come over here. So we have Vegeta here. So let's take him out without damaging the tail here. So I guess we're gonna take the arm off first. Legs. Now it's just a matter of taking the tails out. So he has two open hands here. Not going to take them out. So yeah. there's Vegeta here. Oh, it's a bit hard to move. Okay, so he's good. Okay, we got his feet here. So there he is. He's got a bit of scuff and jean, but that's okay. So there he is. So again, he can look a bit up and down. Unfortunately, his hair is hindering his head movement. Ball joint on the tails, and pretty much the same articulation as Goku and Gogeta. I really like the shoes here. So yeah, there he is next to Gogeta here. Let's have them both stand. Come on, stand, Vegeta. Okay, nice. And because I have him, and why not? Here's a SSG for Goku here. So a nice thing you can see is that it's a very nice thing that you can see that Gogeta has some features from both Vegeta and Goku over there. So you can see he has not quite as light as Vegeta, but not quite as dark red hair and a red fur on his hands. He's a bit in between. He has Goku's face, but he has Vegeta hair here, Goku's hair over there, this one here of Vegeta. And so yeah, that's quite funny how he has a bit of everything between the two. And yeah, that was Vegeta and Gogeta 4 unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Do I recommend getting them? Yeah, it's if you like them. If you like Dragon Ball GT, I do recommend you getting them. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. Thanks.